In this video, we will learn how to use focus view in Word document. So let's start this my Word document. So here I have a foreign exchange market overview, and here I'm going to read this article on focus view. To focus view, go to the view tab and look for the focus options. So here have a focus options. Just click on it to focus view. Now you can see the focus view. You can read this article comfortably. If you want to convert back normal view, just use the escape key of keyboard and you go back on normal mode. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.